So usually on a Thursday I do a bit of classical music. This week's slightly different, but the song is a real classic, even though it's not classical. It's called Somewhere Over the Rainbow. It seemed like a suitable choice as we've all got our rainbow pictures in the windows at the moment, and with it being Thursday, we'll be out clapping for the NHS and for the carers as well. So I hope you enjoy this one. So we're going to start off by putting our hands in the right position with both our thumbs on the middle C. And the first bit of the song is going to use G's in your left hand and on your right hand. So that's fourth on your left and little finger on your right. So it goes G, G, to the F sharp right next to it on the fourth finger. And then we're going to go to the D on the 2 and walk up. Okay, so we do it one more time. It's G, G, F sharp, and then walk up from the D. The next bit is going back to that G again on the left hand, and this time it's going to go G, E, D. Okay, so I do that whole thing up to there. Then the next part is quite a bit on the left hand. We're going to stretch the little finger down to E on the little finger, and then thumb on the C. B next to it, and then we're going to jump down to the fourth on the G and run up from there. Okay, so we do that bit again. It's low E, middle C, B, and then run up from the G. Okay, and then we're going to go A on the middle finger, F sharp on the little finger, running up as far as the B, and then finishing on G. Okay, so if I talk you through that last bit again, so it's down to E, up to middle C, B next to it, G running up, A, F sharp, running up, and then finish on G. Okay, so if I do the whole thing put together, we get it. So I hope you enjoyed that one. I'd love to see your versions of the song, so if you'd like to video yourself doing it, you can post the video onto my Facebook page and I'd love to see them. If you'd like to subscribe to my channel and see more songs, there should be a link on the screen, and you can hit the like button or scroll down to leave a comment if you'd like to. Have fun!